friends, today I am going to show you how we can make website with the help of AI. So the name of the website is durable.ai. I will just open the Chrome and I will type here durable, D-U-R-A-B-L-E, durable, enter. So this one is the address of the website, so I will click here and it is asking me AI that builds a business for you, and generate website is the option here. I have to type here the prompt. I will type here create a website of hardware spare parts. Create a website of hardware spare parts. Okay, I will go here, generate website. So it will ask me what is your current monthly revenue. I will go here, prefer not to say. Okay, then next. It will ask me where is my business located. So I will type here Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi. Okay, after that next. So enter your business name. So I have to give here the name of my store. I will type here best spare parts shop. Okay, then I will go for start building. Okay, now it will take few seconds. So I will go here, view website. So it will generate a website. Just wait for 5 seconds. So this is the name of the shop that I have given, best spare part shop. It is again in processing, so it is optimizing. So it is creating the website. It will take few seconds, so we have to wait for that. As I gave my location Delhi, so it is giving here best spare parts, Delhi's trusted hardware supplier. So discover premium spare parts from Delhi leading supplier. This is the text. Sharp spare, this is the button. So these are the spare parts, hardware spare parts. When I go down, it is just optimizing. And look, it has created the images automatically. These all images are generated by AI automatically. So these are the hardware spare parts. So I will go little down. This is the text. Discover top quality hardware spare parts at best spare part shop. This is the name of my shop, best spare part shop. Your trusted partner in New Delhi. We offer an extensive range of components ensuring. This is again the website is already it is saving the website. This is the text. We offer an extensive range of components ensuring reliability and longevity of all your hardware needs. Experience exceptional service and expertise, making us the premier choice for industry expert and DIV enthusiast likes. We can change this text also. We here I can add the section. If suppose I want to add a section, I can go here and I can add the section. These are the tools, and I go downside. These are the tools. This is unlock your VIV potential. This is the contact, and here also I can add the section. I'm showing you the how the website, it has created the website, and this is the customer service stories. It has automatically created it. This is the customer, and these are the comments of the customer, Priya Singh. I will this is another customer, Ravi, and these are his views. And this is another customer, Amit Khanna. These are the views of the customer success stories. I will go downside here. At the end of every page, I can add a section. This is the text: your reliable partner in Delhi, best spare part shop. Here I can also add a section, and this is the last one. Yes, best spare parts, and contact us, made by this durable shop now. And now I will go on the top of this page, and if I do not like this page, I can again regenerate this page. For this, I can go to the regenerate. Look, it will take few seconds, and it will automatically regenerate it. It will take few seconds. It will regenerate it, and it will regenerate the whole website. It will regenerate images, and suppose this is the text. I want to change it. I will double click on this, and this is the best spare parts shop. I will suppose here write a best spare parts shop in Delhi. Okay, I have changed it, and I have done. Look, here it is coming, best spare part shop in Delhi. So I can add a section here. That is, I will click here, another section will be added here. So I suppose I want to add a banner, services, content, image. I can also add the image from the gallery. Video content I can add here. Team members, who are working my team, I can add here. I can add anything. Contact form I can add here. So these are all the things I can add here in this section. Okay, so this text I also can change. Delhi's trusted hardware supplier. I can double click here. This will appear here, Delhi's trusted hardware supplier. I can add here whatever I will want to edit. I can edit, or I can delete it. I can add any other thing. Delhi's best, I can write here Delhi's best trusted shop. Okay, I have changed it, the text. I will then go here, done, and look, it has been changed. Now these are the buttons. I can select here. It is written here shop spare parts, so I can select the image here, text, list here, what a banner here. If I will make banner, I can paste that banner here. Okay, now this image also I can change. I can click here. Suppose I want to change this image. Look, dialog will appear here. It will show the images. I can also, I do not like this image, I can regenerate this image also. I can go to the regenerate. Look, it will regenerate the image, and I can change that image also. It is regenerating the image. Okay, you can see it will change the image. I can go here, change. It will change the image here. Look here, the image has been changed. So I can go on the done. I will click here, the image has been changed here. Similarly, I can change the image. I can change here anything. I will double click here and I can regenerate it. If I do not like this, I can regenerate it and I can change it. Okay, the procedure applies to everywhere. I can also change this text also. I will double click here, a page will appear here, and I can also change the text. This is the text and I will also change the text as per my requirement. Okay, the procedure is same. I can go down. Here also I can add a section. If I want to add a section, I can add a section here. Also I can add a section in the middle. I can add section. This is the contact here. If I want to add a video, I can add here. I can change the color also. If suppose I want to go for this, okay, it has been changed. I can go on the done, and look, this whole image has been changed. I will click on done. It has been changed. So I can do anything here. I can change the text, I can add the image, I can regenerate the image, I can edit the text also, as I showed you already. I will double click here. I can change the text also. Look here, text. I can change the image also. I can regenerate the image also. So the website is ready. So this text also I can change. Same procedure. I can change the text here. I can add a section here. I can change this button here. This is the last one. I can look, it is contact. I can go to the contact. I can add the link of the website here. Contact us. So I can change whatever change I need. I can do it here. Okay. So this is the website that the Durable has created. So now if I want to save this website, I can save this website also. Here is the button. I will press on, click on the save, and the website is saved. So these are the pages, because it will show it. I click on the page, it will show the page. I can add the page, add blog post, add folder also. If I want, I can edit. So this is the customized. I can add colors, I can add fonts. Suppose I add colors and I add this color, I add, suppose it is done. So it will change the color. So anything I can, whatever I'd like, I can do in the website. Then I can save it, and after that we can publish it, and after that we can host it and we can make it live. So this is the way how we can make website in Durable. So it is very easy. The website is created in seconds, so there is no need to spend on too much amount on how to create a website. It is very easy, and it is free. Just try all the options of this Durable one by one, and you will be able to create a beautiful website in few seconds. I hope you like this information. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.